There are two kinds of people in this world. Those who take loans because they're desperate, and those who take loans because they're strategic. The truth is, loans are not evil, but they are dangerous. A loan can buy you time, freedom, a home, or it can chain you to stress, to slavery, to regret. Look around. Millions are in debt. Their dreams, buried under MS. Their peace, sold for a car, a phone, or a house they don't even own yet. You know what's worse? Some people die and still owe money. Their children inherit the debt, not the wealth. But the smart ones, they study the system. They use debt to build assets, not liabilities. They let the loan work for them, not against them. Robert Kiyosaki, in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, said it best. The poor and middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. He also warned, bad debt takes money out of your pocket. Good debt puts money in it. But here's the trap. Most people don't know the difference. They take a loan to look rich, not to become rich. Banks, they don't care. They'll lend you what you can't afford, then shake your hand and smile as they tighten the rope around your neck. They call it a home loan, but until it's paid off, the bank owns it. They call it education loan, but no job guarantees you can repay it. Let's talk about reality. There are people working 9 to 5, waking up in anxiety every morning, not because of their job, but because of that one signature on a loan paper they didn't understand. In the book The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel says, wealth is what you don't see. It's the cars not bought, the loans not taken, because real power is silent. You see, a mortgage isn't a home. It's a deal with the bank until the final payment. You're just renting with interest, and every missed payment, that's not just money lost. It's a warning shot that the roof over your head isn't truly yours. But let's pause, because some of you are thinking, so should I never take a loan? No, that's not what I'm saying. A smart loan is one that buys you freedom, that builds income, that multiplies your opportunities. It's like a sharp knife, deadly in careless hands, powerful in skilled ones. Use a loan to buy a property that pays you rent. Use a loan to build a business that cash flows every month. But never use a loan to buy status or silence your insecurity. Because here's the truth no one tells you. A loan is not the problem. The lack of wisdom is, before you sign anything, ask yourself, am I building a future or digging a hole I can't escape? And if today you're already in that hole, let this be the moment you stop digging. Because the game isn't over until you decide to play it smarter. The real question is, are you mastering the loan, or is the loan mastering you?